Alright, I've been running something on the bike lately that's been making it way easier when I'm riding around town, shooting content, or going on extended trips. It's one of those add-ons you don't really think about at first, but once you start using it, it just makes sense. I've just been able to head out and ride without overthinking it, and honestly, I've been liking it way more than I expected. Let's pull over real quick and I'll show you what we've got. Alright, so we went ahead and put some 18-liter Patriot throwover saddlebags from Viking Bags on the Low Rider S, and I think it looks fantastic. These bags complement my motorcycle very well and the style that I'm going for, and they're also subtle yet very functional. Being primarily a city rider and a content creator, I love the fact that these bags can hold most of my camera equipment and my normal riding necessities. We should go ahead and take a closer look. Let's go to the garage and show you how to install these on your motorcycle. So in the package, you get these saddlebags as well as instructions. You have this nice little lip around the zipper to protect it from water getting in, but they are not waterproof, and the waterproof liner is inside. So here we go. That's how you open them. You have your compartment here, the extra goodies, the extension for the saddlebag where they meet. You get extra little Velcro loops. Then you get your rain covers, one for each bag, and your mounting hardware. These brackets are going to be for the Dyna models, and then these brackets here are going to be for the Softails. One of the bags doesn't have any pockets or anything inside. It's literally just fully open. But on the side, you do have this zipper compartment where you can add gloves or other small items. You also have this zipper in the front where you can also store small items as well. For the other bag, we also have the same zipper on the outside. We have that same nice slip around the top. And then if we go ahead and open this section here, we will see that we get the same zipper compartment on this side, as well as two little cubbies for your phone, wallet, keys, or anything else that you need to stay in place. You can tell that they use ripstock material for the inside, so it will prevent any long-term tearing. And overall, they're really nice bags. And this is where the two bags meet. And this is the part that's going to sandwich in between the seat and the fender. So you can rock these bags one of two ways. You can either throw it over the fender and lock it in with the seat and you're done, or you can use the provided hardware to just give you that extra anchor point on the fender to have them more secure and more stable. Now these are the brackets that they provide for the Low Rider S, and I'm going to use these on my motorcycle because I do want that extra sense of security. The paperwork they provide with the saddlebags takes you to a link where you can see the instructions on how to install the saddlebags. So let's get to it. Let's start by removing the seat. Next, we're going to install our tabs. You're going to remove your old hardware. You're going to grab your mount and slide it in between the fender and the strut here. Bracket 1 in, time for bracket 2. And if you feel like you're struggling, you can also undo this bolt here just to loosen this part up just enough to slide that bracket in. All right, once the tabs are in place, you're going to grab your plate, slide it in the back, and make sure it clears. You grab your hardware, add some Loctite, and screw it back on. And you also want to make sure that these tabs are sitting straight. And make sure to tighten these back up. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. All right, so we're pretty much done here. All we need to do now is just throw the bags over the fender and then strap them with these bottom straps into the hooks we just put in there. So let's go ahead and do that. All we got to do now is just make sure that they're sitting the way we want. All right, and then from there we just throw on the seat, call it a day. All right, and there you have it. That's how you install the 18-liter Patriot throwover saddlebags from Viking Bags, and that's how they look on the Low Rider S. So let me know what you think in the comments below.